Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Calendly branding on Calendly. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn off the Calendly branding. Maybe you want to go ahead and make it your own brand anytime that you send a link to someone to sign up for a call. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what we're first going to do is log onto Calendly. Next, you're going to go ahead and click on the upper right-hand corner, your profile icon. Then click on All Settings. Now on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Branding and then scroll down and then toggle off Calendly branding. But keep in mind that once you toggle it off, you actually do need to upgrade in order to remove the branding. So the upgrade is $10 per user per month, but you will get branding customization if you upgrade to the $10 per month. So it is a disclaimer in order to remove the Calendly branding. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.